GYL9 residual current circuit breaker is suitable for AC 50 Hz, rated voltage 240V for 2 poles, 415V for 4 poles, and rated current up to 80 A. It can quickly cut off the fault power in a very short time to protect the safety of people and electrical equipment. It can also be used for infrequent switching of lines. It's suitable for terminal distribution lines in commercial office buildings, residential and general industrial use. Compliant with IEC 61008-1, GB 16916.1. Product closing. Press the test button. Product natural opening. Leakage function is normal.